Welcome back. Having learned how to create and import our own modules, let's now start using Python's extensive standard library, a collection of built-in modules ready for use. We begin with the math module, which provides access to common mathematical functions and constants. 1. Importing and using constants. We start by using the standard import math. We can now access the mathematical constant pi as math.pi. Here, we use it to calculate the area of a circle. Notice that we use the module name prefix, math., which is a good practice for clarity. 2. Using basic functions. The math module offers many functions. Math.sqrt calculates the square root, and math.pow calculates one number raised to the power of another. You could perform these operations using basic arithmetic operators, but the math module ensures the highest precision and clarity for mathematical intent. 3. Rounding functions. The module also contains specific rounding methods. Math.floor always rounds a number down to the nearest whole number, making 14.7 become 14. Math.ceil always rounds a number up to the nearest whole number, making 14.7 become 15. These are precise tools for specific mathematical requirements. To summarize, the math module is crucial for any scientific or engineering application. We used it with the import statement. Our next lecture 14.05. Use random module. See you there.